LG makes it easy to troubleshoot your dishwasher should you run into any issues, saving you time from calls and services. In this video, we will help you understand and help you find a possible solution for the IE, OE, and E1 error codes. Before you begin, make sure to unplug the dishwasher unit or power down the circuit breaker. If you're receiving an IE error code, your dishwasher may not be receiving adequate water. Check to make sure that the water line is properly connected to the dishwasher and the water supply valve is open. For proper operation, your household water pressure should be above 20 psi. Next, check the water line for any kinks or bends which can prevent the flow of water or cause very low water pressure. Copper water lines are especially prone to this, so replace and install according to your local codes. If you're receiving an OE error code, your dishwasher may not be draining properly. Start by checking the drain hose for kinks or blockage. Clear any buildup or obstructions. If you have a garbage disposal, check to see that the drain connection on the garbage disposal near the top has been knocked out. This is especially important for new installations or when a new garbage disposal has been installed. Upon checking that the disposal connection is clear of any obstructions, install your drain hose to the garbage disposal. Make sure to create a tight seal. And finally, make sure that the dishwasher is not floor drained. Your LG dishwasher is equipped with an overfill protection system that can further protect your home from any possible overfill. If overfilling occurs, the flow switch will trigger an E1 error code and your dishwasher will turn off to prevent outside leakage. Before starting each load, check to see that the door is properly closed and the gasket is making a full seal. Look for any obstructions that may hinder the door from properly closing. Next, unplug and let the unit dry completely in order to reset the flow to its default setting. This may take up to 48 hours. As always, level your dishwasher properly for optimum performance. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.